Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how you code. Do you know how to code? Do you have any experience in coding? Me, I don't have any experience in coding. I don't have any skills on that. So in this video, using Canva, I'm gonna show you guys how we can code without doing anything. All we're gonna do is just to describe your ideas, tell to Canva AI on what do you want to do. You want to create an app? Do you want to create anything that you want inside that coding? And then the Canva is going to create a code for you. Without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's start coding. Alright guys, so now we are here in Canva and let's create a code. So when you get into Canva homepage, you will see here on the top Canva AI. Just click this one. Alright, and then you will see here down here there's a design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, and create a video clip. So we're going to use the code for me. Click this one. So anything that you want to make, what's in your mind or your imagination, just describe what you want or any idea that you have in mind, then just type it here. Okay, let's say create a recipe for my massage essential oil for soothing touch. Include the image in the recipe. Alright, so let's try this one, guys. So just you can still think about what else that you want to add. It doesn't matter whatever it is that you want to make in your for your code. So let's just click this one and submit it, and let's see how it looks like. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It's so easy that I really don't know how to code, but look at this. It's so fast. It's already generating the code for the prompt that I just created. And let's see how it looks like after this. Oh my goodness, the soothing touch massage oil. Oh, natural lasting. Okay, there you go. Okay, here is the here is the recipe instruction. Here is the ingredients. Here is the instructions, and here is the tip. Alright, so now if you want to use this into your design, you just simply copy the smart embed link and paste it where needed, and that is how you know. So what we're gonna do here is to use this design. Okay, so here is the presentation. So I'm going to upload maybe this one over here. I'm just gonna put this on top of that image, just like that. Alright, and then if you want to add more image down here, then you can also do it. Okay, like for example this one. Alright, just one over here. Alright, there you go, guys. Let's try another one. So that's where we're going back here on Canva AI, and then here you can see code for me. Click that one. Okay, so create a list of essentials or essential oil and its benefits. Like, oh, there you go. Here's the essential oil guides. So you see, guys, it's not easy for us to make all of this, especially if we don't have any knowledge in coding. Even though if you have a knowledge or if you know how to code, you know, this is save time for creating it. Okay, so let's create one more, guys. So let's say Canva AI code. Okay, so let's say create an apps for my essential oil store. Alright, so if someone wants to buy my oil, they can just order to my apps. They can just go to the apps and place their order. Okay, there are a lot of things going on here and we really don't understand what is written in this coding. There you go. So here is the design. If you want to make a cart or a shop now, they can just shop now here. And here is the price, and add to the cart. There you go, guys. See, guys, when I click shop now, part 1 over there. Okay, proceed to checkout. So you see this one, guys. I'm just trying to show you guys. This is a demo store, okay? The checkout functionality is not available. Of course, if you have an e-commerce website, then you can just link to this. But I just want to show you guys when you create this is how it looks like. Then you're gonna proceed to checkout. Alright, so let's make one more. Okay, let's go back to the top. Canva AI. Okay, create quiz. Okay, if you want to create a quiz for preschoolers to the theme of let's say animals. Alright, so here is the animal quiz, question 1 to 5. When you click this one, wolf, good try. Cat says meow when they want attention for good. Next question, let's say which animal has a long trunk? Okay, let's make this wrong answer in purpose. Okay, let's say rabbit. And it say good try. Elephants use their trunks to grab food and spray water. Okay, next question, who is the king of the jungle? Okay, let's make it right answer. Awesome. Lions are called the king of the jungle because they're brave and strong. So you can use these guys also for education. So if you have kids at home and you want to do something like this, you know, they can learn and play at the same time. Or you can use this in your classroom if you want to. Okay, so this is how you can use this Canva AI code for me. Take advantage of this, create a code for you. You don't need to create a code even though you don't have any experience or knowledge in coding. Go to Canva, describe your idea, and bring it to life. All right, that's all for today, and I hope you learned something. So go ahead, guys, go to Canva and try to start coding. Okay, so you don't need any experience like I've showed you in this tutorial. So just go ahead and do whatever ideas that you want. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel, and don't forget also to like, share, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for watching, for all your support. And I try my best to upload a video once a week. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. Just write down your questions there, and I'll make sure that I will reply to you as soon as possible. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.